हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के व्लॉग में हम जा रहे थे सनशाइन कोस्ट, जहाँ पे था ऑस्ट्रेलिया ज़ू। एंड आई नो ये वाला व्लॉग भी काफ़ी लंबा है, लेकिन आपने ये एंड तक लाजमी देखना है, क्योंकि इस पे पूरे ऑस्ट्रेलिया ज़ू का जो है वो टूर है, तो इसलिए बिल्कुल भी मिस नहीं करना कुछ भी इसमें। ज़ू पहुंच के सबसे पहले हमने टिकट्स लिए थे, वो ऑलमोस्ट $70 पर पर्सन था। और इसके बाद उन्होंने हमें एक मैप दिया, उसको फॉलो करके हमने पूरे को का टूर करना था।
Descendant of the balloon plane.
G'day and welcome to Australia Zoo! And welcome into our world famous Crocodile. How are we all doing today? Yeah, that's and my name is Kim. We like to begin by acknowledging the traditional owners of the land in which we meet today, the Gubbies, and pay our respects to elders past, present, and future. Oh, thanks for that, Kim. Well, Kim and I, we love to have lots of fun out here before we kick off the show, but we also really like to get to know all of you. So, we have a question: who's visiting us today for the very first time? Being safe from becoming lit up or landfill? Our beautiful birds are showing us just how easy it is to pop new Crocodile extreme container into these bins. And just like our birds, you can use these bins too. We have things from small fish, small eels, and even juvenile crocodiles. Now, hello, darling.
Alright, so Stella here, she has actually been trained to fly from point to point, but she has also been trained to fly from person to person. This is where you guys come in. I'm going to need the help of an adult volunteer out there who would like to meet Tallow face to face. Does anyone want to meet Tallow? Yeah, if you can stand up for me. That's it. Now what I need you to do is to reach into your wallet and pull me out a $5 note. Now, I can hear a few laughs out there. Place your hand out to the side for me and hold that up beautifully, just like that. Just keep it nice and flat for me. That's it. Now tell her. I think she's liking the limelight up there a little bit. Tell her. Alright, we've got one more go and then we might have to let her enjoy the show from up there. We'll see if she...
our gorgeous brilliant Australian parrots. These cheeky birds are naturally very social in the wild. And as you can hear, they have very distinct colours. You can try to get a feel. You might be lucky enough to see some of these amazing birds flying around Australia. But now, I'd love to introduce you all to our beautiful, colourful area left back of the background, our crocodiles.
deep water, and Louie isn't even disturbing the surface. Now it's off my feet splashing around, he's picking up on these vibrations. This allows me to pinpoint my location and get him really fired up if someone in his water. So I'm going to get out of the water now. And we'll see if Louie wants to put on this right here.
Oh, Louie.
Oh, Louie, I'm ready to run after. Come on, Louie.
He is so
Now, this
timid.
thing comes out slow, it'll run me. Yeah. Look up here, Louie. Look up here. You got that. Just take all the food. You're really making nervous.
I don't think just taking a crocodile for a walk.
Yeah, thanks. All right, so we get back in water. Now, crocodiles strike off 2 reasons. For food, obviously, it's all right there, and also for territory. Now, I'm right in front of him right there, but as soon as I get further away and get in his water, I'll go get back in his water, because he knows that's where he shines and where he's strong. So out of the way, for easy to avoid, right in the water, that's where they really come alive, and where they naturally hunt. So see if we set another strike here for Louie, at the water's edge.
Now, Louie really tries to outsmart us every day. And he plays this game where he tries to get you to that a little bit closer.
Yep.
And what's so interesting is that crocodiles, they can learn and remember, and they are so incredibly intelligent. So all Louie does, he spends all his time figuring out how to try to grab us.
Exactly.
And it's actually amazing. He works so hard at it, and that's why Chandler has to be super careful. Just as a gentle reminder,
Yeah,
be super careful, because what he'll do is he'll try to get close, and then he will explode out of the water. Louie is known for chasing legs. He absolutely loves to try to go for legs.
I'm not getting closer. Crocodiles like this. I'll come closer. Really fun game, but you know what they want. Look up here, Louie. Nice job, buddy. Look up here, Louie. Not my head. There you go. Look up here. Look up here, Louie. Go ahead, you can have that. I don't think he's looking at the food. I think he's looking at the air reaction. Hey, right there. He doesn't care about the food at this point.
He's honestly just on your legs.
Yes. Like American everything's like fresh from scratch out there. Oh, yeah. Oh, call chicken burgers. Oh my god.
Good job, Louie. That was awesome.
That's job,
Oh,
Louie.
thank you so much, Louie.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया ज़ू का जो सबसे क्यूट एनिमल था ना, वो कोआला था। ये मासूम बच्चों की तरह ना बस सोए हुए थे और इनकी ज़िंदगी में कोई काम नहीं था। कैंगरू और कोआला के बाद हमें नज़र आई ये शॉप, जहाँ पे उन्होंने डिफरेंट चीज़ें रखी हुई थी। बच्चों के टॉयज़ थे, स्टफ़ टॉयज़, उसके बाद हैट्स, शर्ट्स और दूसरी एक्सेसरीज़। ज़ू का पूरा टूर ख़त्म होने के बाद एंड पे ये शटल सर्विस थी जो आपको एग्ज़िट गेट तक लेके जाती थी। तो बस हमारा ज़ू का टूर ख़त्म हो गया था। उसके बाद हम लोग वापसी पे घर जब जा रहे थे, तो ये वाला जो ब्रिज है ना, जो आपको अभी दूर से नज़र आ रहा होगा, जो ऐसे पीक पे जाता है और फिर वापस नीचे आता है, ये दूर से देखने में बहुत डेंजरस लगता है कि मतलब देख के डर लग रहा होता है कि इसके ऊपर कैसे जाएंगे, लेकिन जाते हुए पता नहीं चलता। यहाँ पे करते हैं आज के व्लॉग को एंड। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो इसको लाइक कर दें और चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दिया करें, क्योंकि यही मोटिवेशन होती है मेरे लिए। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।